What is a dictionary in Python? Dictionaries consists of a collection of key-value pairs which are used to store data values in key and value pairs. Each key-value pair maps the key to its associated value. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. When we say that dictionaries are unordered, it means that the items does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. How to find the length of a dictionary. How to find the type of data. From Python's perspective, dictionaries are defined as objects with the data type dict. How to access items in dictionaries. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. There is also a method called get that will give you the same result. How to see all the keys in the dictionary. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Get a list of the keys. How to see all the items in the dictionary. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. How to change values. You can change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name. How to update a dictionary. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with key-value pairs. How to add items into a dictionary. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. How to remove values. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. The pop method removes the item with the specified key name. How to delete items. How to clear items.